Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Pakistan, which is the outcome of Allama Iqbal's dreams. Pakistan is the land of mysticism, surrounded by beautiful valleys and mountains. The country rich with beautiful gardens, forests, meadows, and many beautiful sceneries. My viewers, the listeners, the people of the world, here carefully. Once you must visit Pakistan in your lifetime. This is a beautiful country. The cities like Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, Peshawar, the beach of Karachi are worth seeing. The high risen mountains create a magical effect of the view. Pakistan is a peaceful country and its inhabitants are polite and loving people.